Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I've got one of the biggest unboxings in the world. It's a 58-inch Hisense Japanese Roku TV R6 series 4K Ultra HD. It has your Dolby Vision HDR with HDR10, DTS Studio sound, thousands of streaming channels because it has Roku built into it, bezel-less design, meaning it doesn't have a frame like most older TVs have. And it does Showtime, Spotify, Roku, Netflix, Vudu, Apple TV, and everything else. Well, I'm gonna get a Sony Blu-ray player. So I was gonna get it yesterday when I was getting this TV, but I never did because I ended up forgetting, and I said I'll just get it some other day. But anyways, as you can see on the box on the bottom, it shows you it comes with a Roku remote, but it also you can download the Roku app on your phone, and it says on the bottom works with Hey Google as well. So yeah, enough with the talking, and let's get with the unboxing, see what it brings. And by the way, this is the latest 4K TV there is available. I was gonna go for an 8K that just came out, a Hisense Japanese 8K TV they released, but apparently it's not available yet. I don't know. I was gonna go for the 8K because it's about time we go for 8K because 10K is one was about to come out. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. Oh yeah, and just letting you know, I had to get this as well. The monster cable, 4K HDR. It's 21.0 gigabits per second, and it has color to let you know what you have connected. So basically, it has different colors that light up. So I got blue because it's just my thing, I guess. So whatever I have connected with this blue HDMI cable from Monster Cable is going to basically let me know, hey, look, it's lighting up in blue, meaning, okay, so blue is the, I don't know, the PlayStation or whatnot, or the Blu-ray player, which is kind of funny because Blu-ray player, the icon is blue. Yeah. I'm not going to unbox the monster cable because everybody knows what that is and what an HDMI cable looks like, so. First thing you get is the legs. Not bad. It's like a plastic leg design. Here's the other leg. Here next we get quick start guide, important safety information and warranty card. Oh look, they included some batteries. I got rechargeable batteries, but you know, if they included, that's pretty cool. Here are the screws for the legs. Here's the remote control. Not bad, pretty nice. Pretty neat controller. Although it would be nice if they had the Google button. The volume control is right down here. And there's a whole bunch of other things that the TV brings, so let's unbox it and see what else it brings. We also get this pamphlet, which I guess tells you caution or something. And as you can see, guys, this is the TV right here. On the back you have your composite component, which would be for your old classic game consoles. You have 3 HDMI inputs, a USB input, a LAN port for connecting Ethernet cable, optical, and your old classic cable in. And I think that's the only HDMI inputs I see. And let me see. Alright, here's your HDMI 2 port. Has 4K 60 Hertz. HDMI 1 has 4K 60 Hertz. And HDMI 3 has 4K 60 Hertz. That's actually pretty good. Not bad. Anyways, guys. Oh my gosh. That was today's big, huge unboxing of this massive new 2021 Hisense Japanese 58-inch HDR10 4K television. See you on the next one. And always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.